AI agents allow you to do something boring automatically. I'm going to show you how you can use CrewAI along with the SambaCloud to automate a message sent to Slack daily. So here's CrewAI. I'm going to go ahead and use automations. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an automation. Here's the automation. Create an automation that sends a motivational quote on a topic to a channel on Slack. I'm just going to go ahead and create that right now. And you can see it. Go ahead and create this automation for me that sends a motivational quote on a topic to a channel on Slack. Here you see it create two agents. One is a motivational quote generator, and one is a Slack messenger. The motivational quote generator generates a motivational quote on a particular topic. I'm going to go ahead and run this automation. So to do that, let me write in a topic, working out, and the channel I'm going to post it to is a channel I created in Slack called Motivational Quote. I'm going to go ahead and execute this. And here you can see it's created a motivational quote for me on working out. So just like that, I can go ahead and create an agent. It's got Slack using it as a tool, SERP API, Google Search as a tool, and I can even schedule it every day to run and send me a quote. So I'm going to go ahead and do a daily at 4 a.m. UTC right here. And I'm going to go ahead and save this. The topic's going to be working out. And the channel is going to be motivational quote. So just like that, I've got an automation that sends out a motivational quote daily to Slack.